In the high canopy of a Southeast Asian forest, a night wanderer, a kinkajou, tests a mossy highway. But she's not alone. A clouded...
In the dry heart of Brazil's Cerrado, two very different hunters cross paths. The giant anteater, a specialist of ants and termites, moves with deliberate rhythm.
In the glare of the midday sun, a giant lizard tastes the wind. Heavy, deliberate, its approach is almost silent. The boar senses it, a nervous spring, and the distance collapses.
In the deep rainforest of Sumatra, a rare encounter unfolds. A male Sumatran tiger stalks through the undergrowth, every paw placed with precision. Nearby, a